what is the makeup of the trial paper. So, Adriel, we want to take our listeners through what it looks like. Is it the same for standard and advanced? What marking might be available? Let's start there. What does it look like?
Well, obviously, the trial paper there is a reflection of what the kids are going to experience in the HSC later on down the track in October, November sort of time period. So we are looking at two sections for paper one, which is a 90-minute section, 45 minutes each section. Section one, which we'll talk about a little bit in depth today, is 45 minutes of unseen texts. This is where students will receive around, 5, maybe 6 questions, sometimes up to 7. It could be, just depending on how Nessa is feeling. Recently, though, I think, you're looking at that 5 to 6 question range where students are given a whole series of questions which they will respond to in relation to a series of unseen texts. Then you have section 2 in paper 1, which is your text and human experiences essay. This will be the essay which they will complete in, again, that 45 minutes. I always say 45 minutes, which is a little bit longer than the paper 2 sections, but it's still roughly equates to about 2 minutes per mark. That's sort of what we work on in terms of our kids. I know we're harping a little bit on about the time management, but it's very, very important that we get our kids to really understand how to manage our times in exams. And that's a nice little base there. So 45 minutes for paper 1, each of those respective sections there, which equates to that 90-minute section.